Okay, so tubuan kung gud ang above. This is my one and only skincare. Kung may pimples ko edition. Hindi ko siya tani pagamiton. Hindi siya tani pagamiton kung wala na ko kung ang problema. Wala labot na nagdamo na siya. Lalo ang gadagod na i-bags. And as you can see, super gum siya. That's why ating agenda for today is super duper deep cleaning edition. This is super effective. Ang problema mo lang, ang gamit mo is gasto ka sa photo tabs. Why? Because hindi mo siya pwede balik-balik. Ano ang pwede sa skincare kung hindi balik-balik mo man lang? Diba? One down. Actually, sa paggamit ni guys, paggamit sa Barnless People Warrior, supposedly you don't have to shake it until mag-mix ang iyang kalamay kag ang iyang water solution. But as for my case, na-mix ko na siya. So, ang ginamit ko na lang, ginbutang ko, ang na-mix ko na sa mga bumps, kag sa mga active na mga pimple, wala na siya mag-subside. Basta nga manaog ang tanan ni powder ng kalamay form. I honestly don't know why or what's the rationale for that. But, pwede mo lang ha. And one skill in agyan yun na ang sa area is napagbalik eh. Gano'n pa focus ka ng skincare tapos napagbalik ka daw ng sa area. At ang nasin mo ito is another link ko na naman. Gusto na naman ito skincare. Nagpo ko na lang ang harap ng hairpin. These ang off ko sa guys. See guys, naman ito sa side. But hindi na siya fully hid. So we'll be using Japon sa nagkakatulong part. Hindi ko na siya napuntan. Oh, may nagbisita sa kanya. Ay, mababaktan na nagbisita sa ako na express. Malagilong ko ulit daw. Yan. Hinambal sa akon. Na-filter lang ko na ang nagdadala. Tanawa ba ito ako na natural nagamit ko filter. Nagamit ko filter because I like the way I look. And I'm using the filter. But I'm not saying that just because I use filter, I'm not confident with how I look. Sino mo? Ay, tambok ng Japan. So what? Ano kong tambok? At least guwapa, diba? Sinagambal. Sino mo guwapa ka? Kasi nambal na yung mama mo. Hindi pa niya kinanglan siyang confirmation or affirmation or validation ng mama para mabalag mga guwapa ko. Ay, guwapa ko yun. Tambal ko mga ano, mas magambal sila. Ang magambal naman ka mo. Right? Bako si Modo. Kalun. Guys, that's just called self-confidence. So, here's the thing, guys. If other people keeps on bringing you down, why would you bring yourself down even more? Kung gindown ka na sa ibang na tao, sino pa mabulag sa kagalingan mo? Aside from God, you only have yourself. That's why I always say, the scariest thing is when you start losing yourself. Ang term na gabuhat ng sariling bangko, it's like people associate it with negativity mo, with pikal, with boastfulness. But the truth is, if you're trying to live your own share, it's like trying to live yourself. Because you can't expect other people to carry your share or yourself. That share is a representation of yourself. So if someone put your share down, someone put you down, someone take you down, who will be the one that will carry you? Who will be the one who will carry your share? Diba? As long as kaya mo, as long as you still have the courage and the confidence to do so, to believe in yourself, go for it. What's important is wala kayo may ginatapakan ng ibang tao. But the most important thing pag is the moment na ginatry mo magbangon and in times nagkakadasma ka, always call for God's help. Because we are all nothing. You are nothing without God. Okay? Mas ano pa na kataas lang sa katao, mas ano pa na kanabot lang sa katao, what's important is that you have God, you have yourself, and you still have someone, maybe your family, a friend, or a loved one that keeps and believe in you. Nalingaw pa ta ako na storya na lang ta. Ay, nalingaw na ako. Okay, so, ayun siya guys. Nanaog na siya. That's why, nalingaw na ako. Nanaog na siya. That's why, butangan ta na sang powder. Alam mo yung powder. Next video ko din mo. Kung adari ko ba tulok. Gusto ko din ako next video. I think pwede mo itong butang ko. But it's okay. There's no need to worry. If the world could never understand, it's already union, but it still stands. Today we'll be set free, free and believe, yeah. Close your eyes, try your teeth, break your teeth. Cause nothing sincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody hears you scream, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here.